Happy birthday, Auntie Puakena!
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Happy long life, dear Puakena. Happy birthday to you.
You look so beautiful tonight. You look so beautiful tonight.
Happy birthday to my dearest friend Puakena, sending you loads and loads of love and best wishes and blessings in abundance on your very special day today. You are such an amazing friend and a lovely, lovely woman, and you've done so much in all this, in this time. And gosh, you're an amazing mom, you're a wonderful mother, wonderful grandmother. We got to experience your beautiful family during our time at FSM, and I wish we got to see you, after that, but nevertheless, you are still so special to us, and so we wish you the very, very best, Pua, on your special day today, to you and your family. We love you. We send you so much love and best wishes on your special day. Lots of love from me, Venisi, and James and Joseph, our boys. Love you, Pua. Alofaalasiatu.
It's your birthday. Oh, get up and dance. Because I'm not
Sa alofa tapuai kainga katoa I Tuvalu, Australia, New Zealand, Fiji, and all across the world. Especially Pakalofatu ite Tuangane and the birthday girl, Dr. Puakena Poream Pasuna. Happy 50th birthday. My name is Levitina Aetonu King. I am the eldest child of Mila and Malotia Faipaua Aetonu from Samoa. I'm sure you have reviewed or will review the recordings from my siblings here in Washington State. All of us have moved here to the US when Mama got sick, and we lost her in 2014. We're very thankful that we have this opportunity to send our greetings and our well wishes for you on this festive and memorable occasion. We are very proud of you, Puakena. I'm very proud of you. And you are a good role model to all of our cousins and your children, your nieces and your nephews, as well as all the children in our family. Grandma and Mama Mila and Papa have a total of 18 grandchildren and 14 great-grandchildren. And this here is my second to the youngest grandchild. My husband and I, Malotia Robert King, we have 10 grandchildren, and our youngest was just born about 2 months ago, and his name is Talatea Faipaua Aetonu. We want to wish you a very blessed and happy 50th celebration. We also know how much you have taken a lot of burden in your heart, especially with the recent passing of your dear brother, our dear brother Elia. And it must be very, very difficult on you, as you have been the mama to your younger siblings. Know, Puakena, know that he is now probably partying with your mom and your dad and grandma and grandpa, and are all in heaven waiting for our turn to come and meet them. And with this, I offer you my deepest condolences, as well as to our entire Nui family. We're very sorry for the great loss that we have experienced. Our prayers are all with you as we start with the new year of 2021. Let us all put our hearts together and pray that God continues to bless us and guide us and protect all of us. And especially for today, I wish you a wonderful and blessed 50th birthday. Thank you, Tapua, for organizing this, and thank you, Sis Aloima, Dr. Aloima, for compiling all of the video recordings from across the world. That's my other grandson. We love you. Alofaaga, my Puyallup, Washington. Tofa.
Hello, Talofa. Hi, my name is Faipaua Piniata Aitonu Jr. I am the second eldest and only son of Faipaua and Mila.
Hi, I'm Drusilla, his wife, of course, and we wanted to wish you a happy 50th birthday. Manuia loa sofana, Manuia loa sofana, Manuia loa sofana Puakena, Manuia loa sofana. Manuia loa sofana Puakena, Maya manuia fo'i le tau sanga fo. Alofa atu.
Love you guys.
Hello, Sissy Puakena. My name is Kanakope. I am number 3 of 6 kids. We are 6 of Mila and Fa'i's children. This is my husband Greg and our 2 boys.
Hi, I'm Faipaua. I'm the oldest, and I'm 17.
Hi, my name is Sajalio. I am the youngest and I am 14 years old.
Today we're going to be playing Happy Birthday for You. I will be playing on the ukulele.
Whilst I'll be playing on the clarinet.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Auntie Pua. Happy birthday to you. Manuia loa sofanau. Manuia loa sofanau. Manuia loa sofanau. Auntie Pua. Manuia loa sofanau.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Love you all!
Hello, we are the Alofipo clan, and my name is Nessa. I am 46 years old, and we're just going to go down the line and introduce who we are. Starting.
I'm Davis. I'm 12 years old.
I'm Emma. I'm 13.
I'm Fiti. I'm 16.
All right, and we are going to sing you happy birthday song. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Auntie Pua. Happy birthday to you. Manuia loa sofanau. Manuia loa sofanau. Manuia loa sofanau, Auntie Pua. Manuia loa sofanau. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie. We love you.
We love you.
We love you.
Hi, Tisapua. My name is Talikiai Tonu Montague. I am 18 years old.
And I'm Mila Montague, and I'm 22 years old. Just kidding. I'm 43. Today, we want to send you a birthday wishes, and we're going to sing you a birthday song. Ready to go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Auntie Pua. Happy birthday to you. Manuela was so far now. Manuela was so far now. Manuela was so far now. Auntie Tapua. Manuela was so far now.
Manuiale Asafana, many more years to come, and hopefully 2021 will be better than this year. Love
Amen.
you.
Love you. Bye.
Manuia Tawatava now Puakena, happy 50th birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Puakena. Happy birthday to you. Manuia Wasafano. Manuia Wasafano. Manuia Wasafano Puakena. Manuia Wasafano. Tiaga po.
Still have a chance. It's your birthday. Oh, get up and dance.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Puakena. Happy birthday to you. Hip whip! Hooray! Hip whip! Hooray! Happy birthday, Auntie Puakena! Happy birthday!
You are amazing, my girl. Tonight, you are the queen. So couple up, couple up, couple up, couple up, everybody. Couple up. Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, everybody. Let's dance. Live your life, live your life, live your life, everybody. Live your life. Oh, tonight is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish, make a wish, make a wish, make a wish, make a wish. Amazari wa malunde. Amazari wa malunde. Oh, make a wish, make a wish, make a wish, make a wish, make a wish. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish, make a wish, make a wish, make a wish, make a wish. Amazari wa malunde.